Mayor Mamdani announces a housing plan for those who have been incarcerated. Political reporter Kelly Mena was at that announcement. She joins us now with the details. Hi, Kelly.
Hi, Shannon. That's right. Mayor Mamdani looking to score big today with the announcement of the, quote, reactivation of the Just Home project in the Bronx. The supportive housing project, which is a collaboration between the New York City Health and Hospitals, the Department of Housing Preservation and Development, and the Fortune Society, will provide 83 units of supportive housing for formerly incarcerated individuals. Today's announcement comes after last fall the Just Home project faced steep opposition, including from the local community and the former council member. Here's what the mayor had to say about this project earlier.
I know that we have walked a long, hard, contentious path to arrive where we are today. And my sincere belief is that soon, Just Home will be seen as clear evidence of New York's commitment to a new era where every one of our neighbors, even those who have made mistakes in their past, is entitled to dignity and safety.
Under the project, the individuals who will be housed here will get a rent-stabilized lease. The units will be 100% affordable. Also, these units will be located here at Jacobi Hospital, where the New Yorkers who get those units will be provided with case and care management.
Supportive housing from people who are coming home from city jails, coming home from prison, who have paid their debt to society is a part of public safety. It is a strategy for public safety. Putting people in a safe, stable environment, a warm bed, a roof over their head is one of the key ways to prevent recidivism. This is statistical facts.
And as you heard right there, officials said this is not only about safety, but about providing New Yorkers a dignified place to live. Back to you, Shannon.
And Kelly, you mentioned some of that opposition to this project, and it was controversial. Can you tell us a little bit more about why it faced controversy?
Yeah, well, the former councilwoman that represented this district, Christy Marmorato, was in opposition to the idea of having formerly incarcerated individuals in this community. Some community members had also said that there were some safety concerns when it came to who would be part of this project. Now, the new councilwoman hasn't said that she's in opposition to the project, but that led to controversy. The city council passed this rezoning amid those objections from the local councilwoman, which is really rare. And also the city hall at the time, led by First Deputy Mayor at the time, Randy Mastro, also looked to kill the project and even put it in a totally different district and borough, looking to put it in Councilmember Sandy Nurse's district all the way in Brooklyn. But obviously that didn't come to pass. And now the project in its original form will go through as of today, Shannon.
Kelly Mena reporting for us today. Kelly, thank you.
And Mayor Mamdani has announced the reactivation of the Just Home supportive housing project. The affordable housing plan will create 83 apartments on the campus of Jacobi Hospital in the Bronx. 58 of the units are for formerly incarcerated people with complex medical needs. The City Council approved the project last September despite objections from former Mayor Eric Adams.
Mayor Mamdani says he is restarting an affordable housing initiative in the Bronx that was nixed by the Adams administration. The Just Home project would create 83 new apartments in underutilized buildings on the campus of Jacobi Hospital for former inmates with complex medical needs.
Apartments which will support New Yorkers who have medical conditions that leave it impossible for them to be cared for in shelter, who have a history of cycling through the criminal justice system, who have too long been deprived of the external support that has been proven time and time again to reduce recidivism and to improve outcomes.
The project was approved by the Health and Hospitals Board of Directors and the New York City Council, but former Mayor Adams backed off of it after vocal opposition from people living near the hospital.
El alcalde Zohran Mamdani anunció hoy que su administración apoyará un controversial proyecto de vivienda en un edificio vacío del Centro Médico Jacobi en Morris Park, en el Bronx. Haciendo referencia al día de Martin Luther King Jr., dijo que el complejo Just Home va a crear 83 nuevos apartamentos e impulsará la justicia social. Va a incluir 58 unidades de vivienda para neoyorquinos que salen de la cárcel de Rikers Island con afecciones complejas como lo son el cáncer, 24 apartamentos para inquilinos de bajos ingresos. También podría ser una posibilidad. El exalcalde Adams se opuso a este plan.
Mayor Mamdani announcing the reactivation of the Just Home Supporting Housing Project today. The Affordable Housing Project will create 83 apartments on the campus of Jacobi Hospital in the Bronx. The units are for formerly incarcerated people with complex medical needs.
This initiative, it is a testament to the new city that we are building together. One that uplifts those among us who have struggled the most, one that is innovative and creative in its solutions, and one that does not shy away from the challenges that we face.
The City Council finally approved the project last September over the objections of former Mayor Eric Adams.
5:17 right now. On Monday, Mayor Mamdani joined community leaders to launch the Just Home program. It's a new initiative designed to give formerly incarcerated New Yorkers with serious health conditions a fresh start. The program will provide 83 permanent supportive housing units, offering both stability and a second chance.
This initiative, it is a testament to the new city that we are building together. One that uplifts those among us who have struggled the most.
The people who will live here are some of the city's most vulnerable neighbors. Just Homes will keep them connected to care, to community, and their families. And in doing so, will make us all safe.
The housing units will be located on the Jacobi Hospital campus in the Bronx as part of a partnership with New York City Health Hospitals and the Fortune Society.